Welcome back to another episode. Oh, cold. I'm in Lakewood, Woodlands, I believe it is. This is the only tricky bit, but it looks like I should be fine. With all the rain we've had, and there's still another little shower coming. But what I noticed, and I'm sure this is interesting, I've seen it on the track coming in, but these hoofs here are camels. So there's camels around here. I just hope this isn't too soft and I get stuck halfway, because that'd be a long winch the whole way across. But look at the rain. I'll probably get to the other side, find a spot where I can camp, get some wood. I am running late, and there's a story why. Today didn't go as planned. No. But I'll fill you more in when we get to camp. Just gotta find camp. I know. Choices are endless. I'm gonna say I'm not having much luck finding camp. Something that's, a bush camp. We shall get there. There's a rock further up which might be able to camp around that. I'm dragging something. I don't know what it is. Oh. Jesus. Again, another stick. Same thing. Jesus. I'm copping them. Definitely copping them. Definitely looks like parts of this track haven't been driven in a long time. Muddy bits, washouts, you name it. It's pretty, yeah. Track kind of disappears in spots. It's rough too. A little bit of an adventure. Not what I expected. Having to make tracks to stay on the track. Following someone else's tracks. I hope they got through, but I don't find them stuck. Pinstriping the shit out of my car. Saying turn around, go back, because this could be an endless pursuit. You know what I mean? It's pretty rough and wild, and as you can hear, scratching the shit out of the car and flicking shit all over me. I'm hoping it comes back on the track, which it just is now. So how did I get off that? That is just weird. Oh, win some, you lose some. We're on target again. Phew. I'm not looking forward to hopping out and looking at the car after that. Well, I can see part of the rock. I just hope there's somewhere around here to camp, because that was one rough track in, and I'm still not even halfway through it. I am not looking forward to the rest of it, I've got to say. Shit. Doesn't look like it. The map shows a bit more further up. It is so rocky and rough, this track. I think I might have taken the wrong track. This is crazy. Probably all thinking I'm being too fussy where to camp. maybe I am. I've got Buffett I've got to think of. I've got to be able to see him. Just so I know he doesn't, you know, wander off and eat something if there's something out here. I don't know. I don't think there is. I got told they don't bait around Norseman and that, so I don't know. I could be wrong. He's pretty good though. He won't normally just eat anything. He doesn't wander far, but at the moment I've seen one spot. Actually, I've seen probably 4. 3 of them right back at the beginning of the track. There is a thing coming up further ahead. On the map it says Old International Truck. So go to that, see what that's all about, and maybe camp there. Don't know. We'll find out. It's what, 4 o'clock? Hour and a half till it gets dark. It's an hour and a half to get a fire going, cook dinner, everything else. It's been a long day, and this track is muddy. And it's still raining, so I want to try and get as far through it as I can. Though they do forecast no rain tomorrow, so, but if it's a cold night it won't dry up too well. What a mission. Absolute mission. I think this might have to be camped tonight. The old International Truck. How the hell that got out here, I don't know. But God, I really, yeah, I don't know. It's so rough, wild out here. The tracks aren't even tracks. The damage I'm doing. Camp there, or do I track up a little bit further? I don't know. I'm just going to have a think. I really am. I'm just going to sit and have a think. As it would be to camp next to that truck, I am going to move on. I don't like the idea of camping under these trees. There's so many on the ground. I just don't trust it. I'd like to find a spot that's actually clear, like on the track. But yeah, I'll keep tracking. There might be something up ahead. It does say International Truck again up ahead, but I'm not too sure how far. But we will find out. It's about halfway, I think. Oh. Bit rocky here. Problem is, where it's open, it looks very muddy, and I'm worried I'll go down. And out here, you don't want that. This doesn't look good at all. I'm just going to move these trees and absolutely hook. Because I'm not getting stuck here. It's going to be hold on and hope, I think. Seems like there's a track going around. I didn't see it though. Might back up and just see. I'm taking the chicken track. I'm not risking getting stuck this time of night. So this could be just as bad. skipped it altogether. Didn't have to worry about it. Easy peasy. On the map there's this rock up ahead. That's just going to have to be it. I'm just going to pull up there and go, that's where I'm camping. I don't care. I don't want to think about it. I'm not phased about a fire. I am knackered. It's 4:40. It's been a long day and Buffett needs to get out. There's probably 5-10 minutes to go. So yeah, fingers crossed. It's got something I can camp on. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh man. Definitely took the wrong track. A rock. This is a mud bath from camels. I ain't camping here. Oh well. Head back onto the track. First bit of clearing. This is going to be camp. Trackside. I can't find anything and this is going to have to do. Hang on, I'm just getting my level out. Because I can't even be bothered moving this car. Oh, perfect that way. Oh, level. Perfect that way. Cool. Let's let this dog out. Come on, mate. Stretch the legs. Come on. Oh, this is camp. Middle of nowhere. On a track that flogged the hell out of the car. Flogged me. Still trying to rain, but it's only light. I mean, I could go scab some wood, but I don't even know if I'm going to be bothered. There's a lot of cattle around here, I've noticed. But I think I'm on a property, or that side's the property. I'm not sure, because there's a fence line here I started to follow, as you can see. And this is the track. But look at all the shoe marks. It's either camels or it's cattle. But for now, I've got to set up, get ready, get his water, get Starlink up so I can text the wife. Oh, you know, all the stuff you got to do, report back home, let everyone know you're alive and well. But what a day. I am knackered. Whew. Oh, thought I'd hit a hard bump. Shit has gone everywhere. Oh, God. I'd be surprised if half it works. Jeez, I'm not looking forward to opening that fridge. Oh. Oh. Leaves and everything up here. And the mud. Oh, and it's all wet. Due to being packed up. It'll dry overnight. Sure it will. There you go, boy. We'll put your bed on it. There's my lighter now. Let's light this.